show you what I'm thinking of doing. Maybe I'll have some suggestions. I'm wanting to create a rain barrel collection system for the garden. I'll show you the garden and where it's going and everything. Let me switch this. Okay, there's the garden. You see the garden down there? They zoom in. There's the closest water hose to the house. I don't really want to have to use it because of the, you're using water you got to pay for. Now, there's one other option. There actually is a couple of wells right here. There's a well right there where that bucket is. And then there's another entrance to that well, which I'm assuming is probably the same water vein. There's another well right there where that brick is. Okay, there's one of the pipes, one of the drains. And what I might do, see if I can connect to it here somewhere, run it back there, run along here at an angle. Try to get it down here without getting all muddy. And there's the other drain. Oops. There's the other drain. And what I'll try to do, I'm going to put right about here, put a tank that collects the rainwater. And coming from that one, it'll come across here and connect to that one or go into the rain barrel. And then over there's the garden. So then I could just run a water line right to the garden. Hopefully, I think it would feed by gravity. Maybe some of you have done this before. Or do I have to have a pump? I don't really want a pump because then I have to figure out get electricity out here. And I think gravity might work to feed it over there. Because the water line is all the way to the house. See the house way over there. So you can see it. See, it's way over there. So I'd have to run a lot of garden hose, and that'd be a pain in the butt. And look at all the stuff growing. Look at all the flowers. Somebody can tell me what those are. Caladiums, maybe, or anyway, there's some more over there. That's my plan. They had that, the in-laws had that well tested some time back, and it didn't test real good because it's not a deep well. So the water is really coming from runoff. So runoff is coming from the pastures and roads and all that. So you're not going to get good water, especially not to drink. Now, water in the garden, I don't know. I'd have to do some research, but maybe not. So we'll see.